Hey guys, today we're driving a beautiful, brand new 2020 Atlas Cross Sport from Volkswagen of Newport Richey. And we're hitting the road to Cedar Lake's Woods and Gardens in Williston, Florida. Just 2 hours north of Tampa, you can find a beautiful botanical garden inside an old lime rock quarry, featuring cascading waterfalls, gorgeous plant life, relaxing koi ponds, scenic and sometimes challenging nature trails which run ground level and up above the garden, providing countless breathtaking views. And if you get a little hot in the Florida sun,
you can cool off under a waterfall. Okay, we have just arrived at Cedar Lake's Woods and Gardens in Williston, Florida, in our brand new 2020 Atlas Cross Sport from Volkswagen of Newport Richey.
Hi, my name's Lori and welcome to Cedar Lake's Woods and Gardens. Well, we're a botanical garden, so we have, I don't even know how many varieties of plants, hundreds. It is a quarry, so you're on the water as well when you get to the lower level. We do have a waterfall you can get wet under. That makes it a little unique for Florida. Well, it was a working lime rock quarry in the early 1900s. So when Dr. Weber purchased it, he was thinking waterfalls, bridges, fishing in my own backyard. Dr. Weber started his career as an endodontist during Vietnam in Japan. He just fell in love with the culture. So he's a very big traveler. He's brought a little piece of every country he's been to into these gardens, especially Japan. You get to enjoy your family in a peaceful, quiet setting amongst nature. It is a hidden gem.
It's a great place.
It's a beautiful place to be. They find it very magical here. It's good for the soul.
Summer has arrived, and Taste and See Tampa Bay is hitting the road.
And the Giant is putting you in the driver's seat to the best road trips in Florida. Are you ready for the summer adventure, Zach?
It'll be giant.